I'm actually really impressed. I have no idea why I forgot about them. They look really good. Here's Tommy. Hello, everyone. Hope you're doing great. Okay, today we're going to be unboxing another Kickstarter product. This time, I have to admit, I completely forgot about it. I completely forgot that I had pledged to this campaign. I just received it. It was back in July. Just received the product, and I'm gonna open it up now. So the product is the Redux Buds. That's it. Bluetooth buds. That's it. Has active noise canceling. They're true wireless. They're individually. You can work with either one of them. It has AI noise canceling. So let's open it up. Okay. We have good presentation. This is really good presentation. USB Type A to C cable. We have the charging case. It's bigger than the AirPods, but it's smaller than the Jabra 16, 17. So very good, very good. Let's see the buds. Okay, they're fairly big, so they should last a long time. Supposedly they last 8 to 10 hours, which would be amazing if they manage to last that long. Let's try it on. Okay, they feel very, very good. They actually feel very, very good. Okay, they won't come out that easily, even though it's very deep. Uh, they're very comfortable. They're very, very comfortable. I did not expect that, and it's also USB Type C, which is very welcome for earpods. Okay, they fit very well. They don't come out as easily. The case is magnetic. Good, very, very good. I'm actually really impressed. I have no idea why I forgot about them. They look really good. Well, I'm gonna try them out. If you wanna hear a full review of this, guys, just write a comment below letting me know if you wanna hear a full review. So I'll leave a link below if you wanna get this, if you wanna buy them, and that's it. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up. If you haven't yet, please subscribe to my channel, and also hit the notification bell to get notified of my next videos. See you on the next one. Take care.